Oh, you mean you don't know, says the boy Yaadman Etan and... Wait, hold on. I feel like I need to change some. Much better. You don't know, says the boy Yaadman Etan. Remember to subscribe and keep the vibe. Ding, dong, done.
My name is Yaadman Etan, and I am a regular school youth. And one day, I took a not-so-regular bus. I drop asleep on it, and next thing you know, I wake up a foreign.
Half a tree get an upgrade.
What what it? Oh, white people are in half a tree. What, whitey?
Good road. Oi, Brownie. Hey. No, wait. Hold on there. Come here. Come here. The only university what me know is UWI and UTech.
I don't know what those are.
Say that again.
I don't know what those are.
Accent.
No.
What kind of accent this? Where you come from?
I come from New York.
We are doing half a tree.
Okay, sorry. Like, I think my car.
I think I'm lost. I purposely go on bus. And come here. Huh? Come here. Yeah. Wait, say that again. Oh, them people have accent. Hold on. Where am I? Kennesaw where? Where that then? Where is that? Georgia. Oh, come on.
I should have listened to my mother. She always used to tell me don't take the wild coaster bus them. She used to afraid to them will one day take me away. But me never know say them would have take me away go a foreign. No, me not have no passport, no visa. What me I gotta do for money? So I decide to sell like a phone card, some banana chips. The next thing you know, I'm buck a yardie.
Phone card. Banana. Yo, cash report.
Where you
Cash
all go?
report. Say that again.
It's who you.
Which part of Jamaica you come from?
Kingston? What
No.
the fuck? One of those?
Yo, you're the first one to find up here. No, big one. We need to see. You want to buy a phone card?
We need a phone card for dog. What the fuck, dog? Dog.
Alright. But hear me, I got half a tree. Look on my tie, you know say Jamaica I come from.
Are you in a uniform, dog? What the hell?
I drop asleep on one bus. I'ma wake up in America.
Oh, you reach Yassa from bus.
You don't know.
Ah.
But I need the help, because you're the first one I'm gonna find up here. There's no more Jamaican up here.
No, we no dog. Me just reach.
So, not even one? You're the first one I meet too?
Yeah.
Hold on, never ID. Come here. Ready or no? Scramble!
Son, hot enough.
You don't know it's your boy, Yaadman Etan. Thank you guys for watching that video. Now, I'm going to need you guys' help so I can continue to make a splash. And to make waves on YouTube, I'm going to need you guys to subscribe, like, and share this video with your friends. You guys can also follow me on Twitter and Instagram at Yaadman Etan. Oh yeah, one more thing. The link in the description below. Yeah, click that, buy my merch, help me pay bills.